let's do a plank challenge. And I created this PDF file that you can download to guide you on your journey to strength. Yes, today we're going to follow the circle of plank challenge. It is going to be fun. And again, you are so welcome to download this challenge so you can do at your own time, at your own convenience. Let's do this. The plank challenge says we start on child's pose. 3 breaths here, preparing our body. Coming into your tabletop. Few cat-cows to warm up the spine. Inhale, cat, drop the back down, lift the ground. Exhale, cat. Inhale, up. One. Come back. We are going to our first pose. We are going to keep our hands on the ground and lift your rest of the mat. We hold for 2, 1. Knee down, opposite side. 3, 2, 1. Bring both knees down and engaging your abdominal walls. Press your right knee onto your tricep. 4, 3, 2. Release. Opposite leg. 4, 3, 2. Release. One more each side. Right leg rise onto your chest. 4, 3, 2. Release. Opposite leg rise. 4, 3, 2. Release. Shake it out loud. We are going to our plank now. Prepare. Tuck your toes under, lift into plank. Engage your abdominal wall. Round up your back to find strength from your trapezius muscles. And holding one more. Lift your right foot off the mat. 4, 3, 2. Release. Opposite side. 3, 2. Release. Once again, the right leg release. Lower. Left leg release. Lower. Now bringing your right knee into your right tricep. 4, 3, 2. Release. Left knee to your right tricep. 2. Release. Bring your right knee to your left tricep and turn to wrist. Firing up those obliques muscles. And release opposite side. And release. Now the most challenging one, friends. Lift your right foot off the mat and lift your left arm off the mat. 4, 3, 2. Release. Opposite side. Left leg rise. Adjust your left hand and lift the right. Or hand off the mat. 4, 3, 2. Oh, almost didn't make it. One more time each side. Lift your left leg. Lift the right hand. 2, 1. Opposite side. Okay. 2. Just pose. So we did one circle of the plank sequence. So for this one full round, we are a good plank warrior. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to have your own sequence, download on the link below. Can't wait to hear from you. Make a comment. Let me know how it works for you. I'll see you tomorrow on the mat.